Hey guys, welcome to another video at PhoneOps. We are talking about the Poco Phone F1 and Lineage OS 18.1. Now, as if many of you have requested, this is a gaming review in which we will be playing PlayerUnknown's Battleground Mobile or PUBG Mobile. We will have PerfDog as the monitoring application. We will have a look at the FPS counter for one TDM match and maybe one or two Senok hot drops to see if this ROM is good for gaming or not. There is a full review coming up. There is a video coming up on how to install it and a lot of other things. Another interesting thing is that truth behind Xiaomi updates for the K20 Pro is coming out the next episode, and we are going to come up with a video for Corvus OS 14 complete review for the K20 Pro as well. But all that is for later. For now, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. In the description of each video, you will find a link to our Telegram community. We are about to reach 1,000 members over there, so join there and support us and have a lot of fun while discussing interesting stuff. Last but not the least, if you think the hard work is worth the effort, please click on the join button and support the channel. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright, so we do have PerfDog running and PUBG Mobile running at the same time. I have connected this to PerfDog wirelessly using the same Wi-Fi network. Now, if you look at the graphic settings, we are on Smooth Extreme and all the FPS and everything is being displayed over here. Unfortunately, that doesn't look that clear, but that's fine. So what we always do is we do a screen recording test, and I'm also checking if we have a built-in FPS counter, which I'm pretty sure we don't, because we did check the same thing when we were doing a initial preview. So we'll go to screen record and we will select device audio and microphone and we'll click on start. Okay, so the screen is being recorded now. Right now, let's go ahead and play a TDM match, arena training. Now, once again, as always, I'm looking at the display of the phone through the camera's screen. So A, the gameplay is not that great already, and B, it'll be even more difficult, but that's not the motive. We are not here to see how well or how bad I play. What matters is how consistent the FPS is and how good this ROM is as far as gaming is concerned. So let's go ahead and disable the audio over here. Okay, now we are using scope in gyro, all right, and I have it on the highest sensitivity, although once you get used to using the iPhone, it really becomes a little difficult. So let's maybe go with 2 AKMs, and so the FPS 46, 49, this is a little disappointing because in TDM at least, I believe most of the time the FPS is stable in most of the ROMs. Oh, we have bots in this match, is it? I think we have one guy and 3 bots. So about the FPS, it's all over the place. It's not at all stable. Very bad initial impressions, and I have gone ahead and set the thermal profile to gaming in Lineage OS. So probably that might be a reason why they have gone ahead and pulled the build, if you know. And if this ROM doesn't prove out to be a great ROM for gaming, then in that case I might hold on to the review till the time they actually go ahead and release it again, because Lineage OS have pulled it back and it's not available on their website anymore as a download link. Yeah, we are playing most of the time in 40s, which I don't really think should be the case. Now, this very well can happen because of screen recording. I have seen a few ROMs struggle because of screen recording. So this could be happening because of screen recording, to be very honest.
Team is unstoppable!
Alright, so that was the last kill. Not such a great game. We did not have a very strong team opposing us, but nonetheless, yeah, most of the time the FPS has not been constant is what I can say. And we will do a Senok bootcamp drop test now. This will be a relatively shorter version of the gaming review, because when you play, so what we'll do is we will do the bootcamp FPS drop test in while recording the, while not recording the screen. So we can actually go ahead and stop the screen recording. Another thing is, this ROM is not even giving a prompt, like a sound prompt, that the recording has been stopped. So it says processing screen recording. It'll take some time. Nonetheless, let's actually go to Senhawk bootcamp over here. So that's Senhawk for you. Launch. Now let's say in the lobby itself, we'll come to know how good or bad the performance of this particular ROM is, because there itself I've seen a few ROMs struggle. So we are in the matching stage right now, and the match should start any moment. Alright, so we are in the pre-game mode, and I have to tell you that we are not recording, so the phone should have less strain on it. But even then, we are in around 48-49 FPS. I don't know what has gotten into all these AOSP ROMs of lately for the Poco Phone F1. The performance is not up to the mark. I don't even know, and I don't think it's Perf Dog, eating the performance, because there is the APK installed, but it is not asked for any permission. So I don't see how the Perf Dog application should actually go ahead and hamper the performance. But nonetheless, let's see where our squad is going. We'll do unfollow because we want to go to boot camp. Once again, just a subtle reminder, how we play doesn't matter in these videos. What matters is what FPS we get. And in the plane now, we are getting 54, 55, 60. Okay, so these guys are going, okay, 25, 19, 30, 31. So we are going to boot camp. The FPS is not that great. We are stuck at 40, 42, 35, 18. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is going to be unplayable, but let's see. Wow, 17 FPS. I didn't expect it to be this bad. Yep, that's lag fest right there. So I'm pretty sure this is a relatively short video, but we're not going to try again, just for a simple fact that it's very disappointing that such a beautiful ROM like Lineage OS is not able to keep up with, yeah, it's not able to keep up with the performance when it comes to PUBG Mobile. So all in all, this ROM in, as a whole is a very decent, very good gaming ROM. But I will hold on to the installation video, I will hold on to the review video, because right now it does have some performance issues, and at the same time Lineage OS team have pulled it from their official website, so there might be some work left because of which they would have done that. So all in all, you know, if you want to try, there is a link for it which is mentioned in the description. You can go ahead and give it a shot. There's no problem, but I would suggest wait for some time till they actually come up with a build that actually works fine. Let me know what do you think about this particular gaming review. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling, take care, goodbye.